In this video, I'm going to find out just how fast I can draw one manga eye. So when we draw comics, we draw a lot of eyes. Now here's exactly what we're going for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line eye. That's what we're going to be working on today. So I'm going to do a couple of warm-ups, and we're going to do our 7 line manga eye. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and let's do this. Let's do a guideline and a space for the nose. And let's just do a rough warm up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that took about 9.79 seconds. Let's do the other eye. Okay, and that was a bit better because I was more used to it, 7.46. I do find doing the character's right eye a little slower because my hand works better this way because I'm right-handed. Now let's do a couple more slow warm-ups before we get into the speed challenge here. Okay, so here we reset, and here we go. .6, reset, and .06, but that's a bit wonky right there. Anyway, they don't have to be perfect. These are just placeholder eyes, and we'll be doing, you know, if you're drawing and you just want to lay out a face, you want to get it done quick, and then you can detail and refine and take as long as you want. Go. .44. So now we're picking up our speed a bit. .4. Okay. So let's turn the page and see if we can get under 3 seconds. .36. .21. 3.86. Ooh, 3.64. Now I felt a hesitation after I did this line. I forgot what to do. Oh, and I didn't finish, so we can't count that one. All right, let's start again. Ah, 3.76. We can count that one. And let's go. .45. A little sloppy and not quite done there, but we'll count it anyway. Now let's see what we can do. .59. Still don't like that bottom line. .46, so 1/100th of a second difference there. .89. Yeah, I have a hesitation after I do that line. Oh, and I didn't finish again, so it still doesn't count. Drats. .04. Okay, let's see if we can improve here. 3.42. Okay, new record. Right there. And .53. Let's see. Okay, now we're going to try and go as fast as we can. 3.1. 3.02. Okay, there's the new speed to beat. .52, so that was pretty slow compared to that. .11. Can we even see that? No. Okay. We'll try one more page and then we'll call it quits. We'll try one more page and then we'll call it quits. That's what I meant to say. My tang got tangled and I was back in talkwards. So there you go. .74. 3.62. 3.14. 3.26. 3.60. Oh man, I might have got into the twos, but I hesitated after that first stroke. Not sure why I do that. Okay, so stroke, 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 stroke. Okay, let's see if we can beat it. No, I slowed down all the way through that. That was horrible. I'm getting worse. I don't even know what that was. Okay, a couple more tries. .18, that was respectable. .03. Okay, getting better. .13. 3.06. I still think I can do better. .06 again. .05. Okay, I have to do it. I have to do one more page here. See if we can get into 2 seconds. 2 point something. Okay. Missed the button. Okay, I guess I better set it down. 4.79. That's terrible. 3.22, and that's a horrible eye. 3.21. 3.00 right on. And I still felt I could have did better. Or faster. I don't know if better is the right word. Oh, 3.03. There we go, 2.87. Not the best eye, but pretty quick. And 2.81. And that's not a bad eye. Oh, yeah. Did I get it? Oh, I just missed it. Oh, so sad. So that didn't count. .96. .91, but that's a mess. .95. There we go, 2.77, and that's not a bad eye. Okay, so now let's slow things down again and see how we do. So that's the fireworks. Yay. 2.77 seconds for one eye. All right, let's draw some a little slower. So 2 eyes and 11.79. But I'm not doing 2 eyes, so let's do a single eye. .36, and we'll do another one over here. .75. So there you go. How fast we can draw one eye. And yeah, we'll probably do a challenge where we try and do 2 eyes and see how fast we can do that. Okay, there we go. So done.